Hello, my name's Lissy from BYD Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BYD Atto 360.48 kWh Comfort. Now this vehicle is electric, it's an automatic, and is finished in skiing white. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5-split spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the skiing white exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. As this vehicle is an electronic vehicle, it has a range of up to 260 miles. On a standard charge, it can take up to 6.5 hours to charge, and on a rapid charge, it can take up to 35 minutes. Moving to your boot, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. And as well as this, you also have a wall box charging cable. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black vegan leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passenger with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Moving to your rotational infotainment system, which can move between portrait and landscape depending on which is suited to you. You have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Spotify, which if you have an account you're able to log in and listen to your own playlists. As well as this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. Moving to your climate control, you are easily able to adjust the temperature, airflow and the airflow direction all through the infotainment system. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. You also have a wireless charging pad, so you are able to keep any wireless charging compatible devices charged whilst on the go. This has been a presentation on the BYD Atto 360.48 kWh Comfort that's now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.